2017 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer, smart device integration, 4-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.